Place the eggs gently into the saucepan. Fill a saucepan with enough water to cover the eggs. Turn on the heat to medium-high and bring the water to a boil. Once the water reaches a rolling boil, reduce the heat to medium and let the eggs boil for exactly 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, turn off the heat and cover the saucepan with a lid. Allow the eggs to sit in the hot water for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, throw the water and change to cold water. Once the eggs are cool, gently tap each egg on a hard surface to crack the shell, then peel it off. By following this script, you should achieve boiled eggs with a soft yolk and a firm white. Adjust the cooking time as needed to achieve your desired level of doneness. Remember, the kitchen is a place of creativity and joy. So, keep experimenting, keep exploring, and keep cooking with passion. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.